Today our unit is permutation and combination. In this lesson we have to discuss permutations only. So before starting permutations we have to know what is the meaning of n factorial. N factorial is nothing that is equals to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 dot dot means that is up to 1. N factorial that is equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. Some important term in this n factorial is 1 factorial that is always equals to 1 and 0 factorial is also equals to 1, and n factorial is not defined when n is negative integer or a fraction. Some example related with factorial notation. 5 factorial that is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means that is equals to 120. And so 7 factorial is also equals to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 5040. And so we can also solve 8 factorial upon 6 factorial. So how can we solve? That is equals to 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So we shall cancel out 6 factorial with 6 factorial, that is equals to 8 into 7, and that is equals to 56. So these are some example of factorial notations. So one of the most important result is that is fundamental principle of counting. What is the meaning of fundamental principle of counting? If an event A can be performed in m ways and another event B independent of A can be performed in n ways, then both the events A and B can be performed in m into n ways. In this result, this principle can be generated in any number of events. So some example related with this principle. Uh, let's assume we have to find 3-digit number formed using digit 3, 4, 8 and 9 such that no digit is repeated. So how can you solve this problem? So there is 3-digit, we have to form 3-digit number. 3-digit number means we have unit place, tens place and hundred place. So hundred place have 4 choices that should be filled with 3, 4, 8 and 9. So there is 4 chances, and tens place have 3 chances. So we have to put 3 in this case, and unit place filled with 2 values only. So total number of ways to complete the task, that is equals to 4 into 3 into 2, that is equals to 24. Another example is find the number of 5-digit even number formed using the digit 1 to 9 such that a repetition of digit is allowed or not allowed. So if repetition is allowed, then 5-digit number is, then for even number we have to know unit place should be filled with 2, 4, 6 or 8 in this, according to this question. So unit place should be filled with 2, 4, 6, 8 means there is 4 choices, and tens place and hundred place, thousand place and 10,000 place is filled with uh, uh, 9 choices are there. So answer is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 4, that is equal to 32,805. In another part, when repetition is not allowed, in this case also we have unit place, uh, unit place filled with 4 choices 2, 4, 6, 8. Then repetition is not allowed, so you can fill 10,000 place with 8 choices, and 1,000 place with 7 choices, and 100 place 6 choices, and 10th place is 5 choices. So answer should be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, that is equals to 6720. Now another concept of permutations is, so how can we find permutation when all the objects are distinct? If all the we have n number of different objects taken r at a time, where r is greater than 0, less than equal to n, then repetition of object in any permutation is not allowed. So npr means n items taking r at a time, that is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 dash 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 n minus r plus 1, and this can also be written in the form of n factorial upon n minus r factorial. And some another theorem related with this concept, uh, number of permutations of n different objects taken all at a time means npn, and that is equals to n factorial. Now another concept of permutations is restricted permutations, means there should be some restriction. The first is permutations of n different things taken all at a time, in which p things always occurs together. So that should be equals to p factorial into n minus p plus 1 factorial. Second is permutation of n different things taken r at a time when x particular things are always included, that is equals to rpx into n minus x p r minus x. So this is one of the most important result of restricted permutations. Third is permutations of n different things taken r at a time when x particular things are always excluded, n minus x p r. Some example related with restricted permutation: in how many ways 5 boys and 4 girls be arranged on a bench if there are no restrictions? If there is no restriction, means there are 5 boys, 4 total is 9. So 9 elements, 9 items. So how can you arrange? 9 factorial, 9p9. So this is equals to 9 factorial. If boys and girls are alternate means one boy then another girl, then boy then girl. So that should be filled 5 factorial into 4 factorial, that is equals to 2880. Permutations with repetition. What do you mean by permutations with repetition? So there is also one of the most important theorem. What is this? The number of arrangement of n dissimilar things taken are at a time when each things may be repeated any number of times in any arrangement, that is equals to n raised to the power r. And another theorem is number of arrangement of n things taken all at a time when p objects are alike and one kind, and q objects of alike of another kind, and r objects are alike yet another kind, then the remaining objects are different, that is equals to, means number of arrangements are n factorial divided by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial. So some example related with this concept: in how many ways can 6 different rings be worn on the forefinger of the hand? Means 6 different rings be, there are 6 different rings and 4 fingers are there. So that is equals to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, means 4 raised to the power 6 will be the answer. Now second example is, in how many ways can 6 apples be distributed among the 3 boys, there being no restriction to the number of apples each boy may get, and that is also 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, means 3 raised to the power 6. So these are some example related with this problem.